Today, we're going to dive into the world of herbal medicine. It's no secret that nature holds some incredible remedies for various ailments, and herbal medicine has been around for centuries. Let's explore the benefits, precautions, and how-tos of herbal medicine. Let us know in the comments if you use herbal medicine. When it comes to herbal medicine, there are numerous benefits that just can't be ignored. Firstly, unlike some synthetic medications, herbal remedies are often considered more gentle and less likely to cause adverse side effects. Secondly, many herbs have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, meaning they can help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief from conditions like arthritis and migraines. But that's not all. Herbal medicine can also boost your immune system, improve digestion, calm anxiety, and even enhance cognitive function. From boosting energy levels with ginseng to promoting relaxation with chamomile, there's an herb for every wellness need. However, it's crucial to remember that while herbal medicine can be powerful, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your daily routine. Now, let's talk precautions. While herbal medicine can indeed work wonders, it's vital to exercise caution and understand that not all herbs are suitable for everyone. Certain herbs may interact with prescription medications or exacerbate existing health conditions, so it's crucial to consult with your doctor or a qualified herbalist before trying any new herbal remedy. Additionally, dosage plays a crucial role in the safety of herbal medicine. Taking too much or too little can alter its effectiveness or even cause harm. Remember, herbal medicine is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and individual needs may vary. Always follow recommended dosages and stop usage if you experience any adverse reactions. Now that we know about the benefits and precautions, let's get into the exciting part: how to use herbal medicine. There are various methods to enjoy the benefits of herbal remedies. Let's take a look at a few common ones. 1. Herbal teas. Brewing a cup of herbal tea is one of the most popular ways to reap the benefits of herbal medicine. Whether it's peppermint for digestion or lavender for relaxation, steeping herbs in hot water is a simple and enjoyable method. 2. Tinctures. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts often mixed with alcohol or glycerin. A few drops under the tongue can deliver the herb's medicinal properties quickly. 3. Topical applications. Some herbal remedies work best topically. For example, aloe vera for soothing sunburn or arnica for muscle soreness. Always follow the instructions provided for safe and effective use. Remember, the key to using herbal medicine effectively is to find the right herb for your specific concern, use it in the appropriate form and dosage, and ensure the quality and safety of the product you're using. So there you have it. Herbal medicine offers an array of benefits, but it's crucial to be informed about precautions and safe usage. From the mighty healing powers of nature to the vast range of herbs available, it's incredible what this ancient practice has to offer. But please remember, I'm not a medical professional. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new wellness regimen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. I'll catch you in the next one.